Unlock the full potential of your Sony A1 by seamlessly transferring your stunning images and videos to your Mac. First, let's explore the most direct method: the USB cable. Connect your Sony A1 to your Mac using the supplied USB cable. Turn on your camera. Your Mac should automatically recognize the camera as an external storage device. Much like a USB drive, you'll likely see it appear in the Finder sidebar under Devices, or a photo import window might pop up on its own. For a streamlined workflow, the Photos app on your Mac is an excellent choice. Once your camera is connected, the Photos app should launch automatically. If not, simply open it. You'll see your Sony A1 listed. Click on it, and you can select which photos and videos you want to import. Choose an album to save them to, and even delete them from the camera after import to free up space. Alternatively, many creatives prefer using a memory card reader. Safely eject your memory card from the Sony A1. Then insert it into your Mac's card reader, or an external one. If your Mac doesn't have a built-in slot again, your Mac will treat the card like a drive. You can then open the card in Finder. Navigate to the DCIM folder, where your photos and videos are stored, and manually drag and drop them to your desired location on your Mac. For ultimate flexibility, consider wireless transfer. Ensure your Sony A1 and Mac are connected to the same Wi-Fi network. Download and install the Imaging Edge mobile app on your smartphone, and pair it with your Sony A1 from the app. You can select and transfer photos and videos directly to your smartphone, and then using your Mac's cloud services or AirDrop, transfer them from your phone to your computer. This method offers great convenience on the go. Remember to check your Sony A1's menu settings for Wi-Fi or direct transfer options. Some models allow direct Wi-Fi connection to your computer. This might involve the Imaging Edge desktop software, which you can download from Sony's support website. Follow the on-screen prompts for pairing your camera and computer directly over Wi-Fi. No matter which method you choose, ensuring your Mac's operating system and any relevant Sony software are up to date will prevent compatibility issues. Streamline your image workflow and get back to creating with these simple steps.